So this afternoon I'm going to plant this pink sedum that's been given to me by my Auntie Rosemary, who's got the most amazing, beautiful garden. So she's dug up a bit of her plant and potted it and got it growing and then given it to me, which I'm very grateful for. So I'm going to plant this in this bed here, just there's a little patch here that seems just the right size for it. It grows to about a foot high, this does. This type of pink sedum flowers late into the autumn, so it's going to feed the pollinators until late in the season, which is just brilliant. And of course it's pink, which fits in beautifully with my theme of pinks, blues, mauves and whites, and sometimes a little bit of yellow in the spring, because you've got to have those daffodils, haven't you? Nice big hole dug. Now just going to put a bit of compost in it, a few nutrients. So hopefully the sedum, once planted in water, it'll be very, very, very happy and have lots of nutrients to keep it going. So Auntie Rosemary's pink sedum is now planted, and I just cannot wait to see what this is going to look like later in the year. It's going to be very excited, and one more thing to feed the pollinators, which is just brilliant. They need all the help they can get. I hope you found this interesting, and if you have any plants that are good for the pollinators, I'd love to hear about them, so please let me know. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.